What's up guys, I'm Sean. This is Jason. Today we're gonna do something crazy. He's gonna let me drive his 2018 Camaro SS 1LE at Sonoma Raceway. So I've been eyeing this car. This might be my next car after my E46 M3. It has
It's gonna be your car for sure.
Oh yeah, knock on wood, stop jinxing me. So it has the 1LE package, which is the Brembo brakes, recoil seats, magnetic ride shocks. Like, this car comes from the factory with the track package, which is awesome. So I'm gonna take it out on track. Obviously I'm not gonna go that fast because this is Jason's car. I'm gonna be really respectful, but I just want to test drive it to see how it feels. And if I fall in love, maybe I'll buy one. We'll see. Yeah, thanks for letting me drive it, Jason.
Yeah,
That's
sure.
awesome. The car has, the limits are so high.
I know.
Like, I'm not even going hard. I'm not even like squeaking tires. Like, I'm just like, the brakes are awesome because I can just get on the brakes.
Yep.
Like mine, it's aftermarket, but I have to get a lot harder on the brakes. This is like the brake, you get on it, it just stops. And then without having the rev match, it's so much easier. And I have to like heel toe, blip the throttle, where this is just like, literally I'm just like cruising and just brake. I just brake. Clutch, vroom, vroom. So it's like,
it's so fun.
Like, my theory when I was saying it's a lot easier to drive a fast car that's capable versus a slow car you have to work a lot harder. But no, the steering felt solid. It felt a little heavy, but then we have a passenger too, so that's a little bit of weight. But it felt very planted. Like, the chassis wasn't like sketch. Because sometimes in my car, sometimes I feel like the car's gonna fall apart.
So stiff and well tuned. It's so much fun.
Yeah. Just finished test driving Jason's Camaro. It's amazing on track. The chassis is very solid. I wasn't pushing it that hard, obviously, because it's not my car. But the suspension felt great. The steering felt awesome. There's like different modes that you can put it into. I put it into the track mode. Yeah, I really like this car. It's a lot of potential versus the E46 M3. My lap time was a 2-minute lap, but that's because, you know, it's obviously it's not my car. I wasn't pushing it hard. But I really like this car. Maybe in a few months I'll own one. We'll see. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.